The 60-inch Gainsley is a contemporary style ceiling fan with a broad blade design and included wall control that is perfectly suited for large rooms. We'll show you how to install the fan with step-by-step instructions. If you would like to skip ahead to a specific part of the installation, pause the video and use this menu for reference. Otherwise, continue watching for the complete installation guide. If you feel that you do not have enough electrical wiring knowledge or experience, have your fan installed by a licensed electrician. Installation requires an installed ceiling outlet box that is UL listed and acceptable for fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a stepladder, Phillips screwdriver, wire stripper, electrical tape, and about 1 hour to install the fan. With your equipment ready and your new ceiling fan unpacked, you can now begin the installation. Before getting started, turn off power at the breaker. Prepare the fan blades by bringing a blade up to the motor and aligning the hooks with the padded supports inside the slot on the motor. Press downward until the spring locking mechanism can lock the blade in place. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. Prepare the canopy by twisting and removing the canopy ring. Remove the 2 non-slotted mounting bracket screws. Loosen the remaining 2 slotted screws. The hanger bracket can now be removed. Prepare the motor coupling by removing the clevis pin and cotter pin. Loosen the 2 collar set screws. On the hanger ball downrod assembly, loosen the set screw and lower the ball off the downrod. Remove the cross pin and the ground lead. Assemble the fan by feeding the motor's wires through the downrod and threading it onto the motor's collar. Align the holes on the downrod with the holes on the collar, then insert the clevis pin and cotter pin. Tighten the 2 collar set screws. Slide the coupling cover, canopy ring, and canopy onto the downrod. Align the slot on the coupling cover with the reverse switch underneath, then carefully reinstall the hanger ball. To attach the mounting bracket, loosen the 2 screws in the ceiling box and pass the supply wires through the center hole. Then slide the bracket into place over the screws and tighten them securely. Carefully bring the fan up to the ceiling and slide the hanger ball into the hanger bracket to hold it up. The tab on the mounting bracket will need to align with the groove in the hanger ball. Now you can make the electrical connections. Combine the ground wires from the ceiling box, downrod, and hanger bracket together. Then connect the white wire from the motor to the neutral wire in the box, and the black wire from the motor to the hot wire in the box. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Then tuck the wires neatly into the box. Assemble the canopy by sliding it up to the ceiling and twisting it into place over the 2 screws on the hanger bracket. Insert the removed screws and tighten all 4 securely. Slide the canopy ring over them and twist to lock into place. The fan is now properly mounted and the decorative cover is ready to be installed. Remove one of the screws from the mounting ring and loosen the remaining screws. Then bring the mounting plate up to the fan. Align and twist the plate over the loose screws, then insert the removed screw and tighten all screws to secure it in place. Bring the decorative cover up to the fan. Align the cover over the center shaft and rotate clockwise until snug. The fan is properly assembled, and you can now install the wall control. To install the wall control, the hot wire in the ceiling box will need to connect to the wall box. The wall box will also need another hot wire to connect to the power supply and a ground lead. Bring the wall control to the wall box. Connect the black wire labeled "to fan" to the hot wire that connects to the ceiling box. Connect the black wire labeled "to power supply" to the hot wire that connects to the home's power supply. Finally, connect the ground wires from the wall control and the wall box. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Then tuck the wires neatly into the box. Secure the wall control to the box with the 2 wall control screws. Align the wall plate over the wall control and secure it in place with the 2 wall plate screws. Power can now be restored at the breaker. The 4-speed slide control allows you to set the fan to high speed, medium high speed, medium speed, and low speed. The reverse switch is used to change the direction of the fan rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise and push air downward to produce a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. Note that the fan should be stopped before changing the direction of the blade rotation. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. Want more details or have any questions? Just call the customer service number in your owner's manual. Thank you for watching.